Good day everyone, my name is Rafael Esbanjola. I'm here now to answer about the question about the Sustainable Development 1, which is what the problem does it address, why is it important, what are the some real world example or statistic related to this goal, what action can individual or communities take to support the goal. What problem does it address in SGD1 or Sustainable Development 1, which is no poverty? By addressing this issue, SGD1 or Sustainable Development Goals 1 aims to significantly reduce poverty and its multi-phased impact globally by giving access to the all basic needs of every person and every people. Why it is important. Sustainable Development Goal SGD1 or no poverty is crucial because poverty is a major barrier to human well-being and development. Limiting poverty is essential not for only improving lives of individuals but also fostering global prosperity, stability, and sustainability. The real-world example or statistic related to this goal are poverty in urban areas, impact of COVID-19 on poverty, child poverty, inequality within the countries. Poverty in urban areas. Urbanization has created new challenges with millions of people in cities living in slum. In cities like Metro Manila, many people live in overcrowded and unsafe conditions, lacking a basic service like sanitation and clean water. Impact of COVID-19 in poverty. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a devastating impact on global poverty, pushing millions of people back into extreme poverty due to economic disruption, loss of jobs, and strained healthcare systems. Child poverty. Children are disproportionately affected by poverty. According to UNICEF, nearly 1 in 5 children in developing countries live in extreme poverty. Inequality within the country. While the global poverty has decreased, inequality within the countries has often risen. For example, in the United States, the wealth gap between the richest and the poorest continues to grow, with the top 1% controlling a large share in nationwide wealth. What action can individuals or communities take to support this goal? Number 1. Practice sustainable consumption. Number 2. Support financial literacy. Number 3. Raise awareness. That's all for today's guys. Thank you, and always remember that it always seems impossible until it's done. Thank you and goodbye.
Great day everyone, especially to our local communities. I'm John Christian Apolis. For this video, I will be promoting the SDG3, which is good health and well-being. So, what problem does SDG3 or good health and well-being address? SDG3 aims to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all ages. This addresses numerous problems including preventable disease, lack of access to healthcare, indicate sanitation, and health disparities based on socioeconomic factors, gender, location, etc. Why is SDG3 important? SDG3 is important because good health and well-being are fundamental to human development and a prosperous society. Improved health leads to increased productivity, longer lifespans, reduced poverty, and enhanced quality of life. A healthy population is better equipped to contribute to economic growth and social progress. What are some real-world examples or statistics related to this goal? Real-world examples include the success of vaccination programs in eradicating disease like polio, the reduction of maternal and child mortality rates in many regions, and efforts to combat non-communicable disease. A statistic from organizations like the WHO who provide data on global health trends highlighting areas needing improvement. So, what action can individuals or communities take to support this goal? Individuals and communities can support SDG3 through various actions. These include adopting healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, exercise, avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol, practicing good hygiene, seeking regular medical checkup, advocating for improved healthcare access, supporting health initiatives in their communities, and promoting health education.
Hello everyone, my name is Diday Veloso. I'm here to explain all of you guys the climate action. This is for our community. What is SDG 13 climate action? Climate action seek to limit global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial level, and it's possible to pursue effort to limit the temperature increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Achieve this ambitious goal requires immediately and sustained effort from all countries and communities worldwide. Problem does it address? The problem here is that there are people who don't love the environment and cleanliness in our society. This also includes what people do not is not right, such as not throwing garbage in the right garbage can. It changes our climate, it causes flood, and in burning woods, this affects our ozone layer that causes intense heat from the sun because it becomes thin, and to people who cut down trees and don't plant new trees. For example, I saw a young boy drinking soft drinks in a plastic bag with a straw. He was riding in the jeep and suddenly he threw that plastic on the road. Why it is important? Because climate change won't just impact forests or coral reef or even people in far-off countries. It will affect all of us. From more extreme weather to increased food prices to reaction and decreased opportunities to appreciate the natural world. People everywhere will feel its effects. Here are some real-world example statistics related to this goal. First, rising global temperatures. Second, sea level rise. Third is extreme weather events. Third is biodiversity loss. And lastly is health impact. Action can individuals or communities take to support this goal? We people can help by properly throwing garbage in the right trash can and recycle so that our world is not destroyed. And we can also learn to plant plants so that we can have clean air and avoid flood. We can support the SDG 13 climate action by doing the right things to prevent climate change and to prevent pollution, flooding, and land degradation so that our world can be healthy and beautiful. Thank you guys. I hope you learned something in our topic. Thank you guys. I hope you learned something in our topic.